We are looking at how to pronounce this name. Welsh name of Welsh origin. We're going to be looking at how to say more Welsh names as well. So stay tuned to the channel to learn more, but let's get into how to pronounce it. Senedd is how you say it, okay? I know the spelling is confusing, yes. Double D at the end, what does that sound like? Well, it should sound like a D, right? But no, it sounds like a V, more like a V. I mean, not exactly a V in Welsh, but Senedd, a stress on the first syllable here. Senedd, you got it. Now you know. Like this video if you found it useful, and more videos here, don't miss them, on how to pronounce more confusing vocabulary and names, including from Welsh and Irish and beyond. Stay tuned. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.